So it snowed again. This spring's pretty harsh. Although this winter was pretty harsh as well. February, it never really climbed above 20 degrees. From what I felt like, it was always in the negatives then, but I don't know, I never really kept track of the temperature. I just woke up and it was usually really cold. Spring means water's melting, which means the rivers are rising, which means I need to get some stuff done before I can go boating. Yesterday I did the boat, today I'm working on something else. Today I'm working on my dry bags. This is a dry bag which I had a rope break on me last year. With Sam, by the way. So I have more rope for this bag. But this is different rope. This is spectra line, which is a little bit stronger than just the polypro line. So I'm going to put these two together real quick. Thing you need to remember when I'm putting the bag together is make sure you put a knot on the inside, otherwise your line's just going to slide right out. Got a rope. Let's go throw it. Managed to hit my bucket, but that's alright. I just wanted to do some practice with it. This first line is a polypropylene line with a tensile strength of about 950 pounds. And this other one is a spectra core line with, I guess, a polypro sheath on it that has a tensile strength of 2,495 pounds. They are just about a 1/4 inch each. This one does look a little bigger. It does look a little bigger, but I think it's just because it's a little softer. It feels like it stretches a bit more. This one is this one's also older. This one's newer. If my camera will focus. This one's newer, and it's doesn't have much stretch in it. Doesn't feel like. But they are both dynamic lines, so they do have a little bit of percentage of stretch per foot. I don't know the exact numbers right off my head, but they do stretch a little bit. They also, I might have said they are a 1/4 inch each. The Spectra is a little more expensive than the Polypro, so depending on what you want to go for, you go strength and a little bit more durability, a bit more expensive, or I mean, this is a fine line too, but this is cheaper. Doesn't have as much durability or strength to it, but it's a fine line. Just don't try and pull anything out of the river with it, especially sunken stuff, because you might end up breaking this line, which I did. So I'm gonna go with this for now on. It doesn't look very promising for the rest of the week.